Hello everybody, welcome to a new episode of the Dragon's Lair. Today I'm going to be doing two new boxes of my incredible pin box. I got two of them. Actually I got four, but I'm going to be doing two videos of two each. So these ones are from a birthday present, which is cool. And I have no idea. My camera seems to be working okay today. Everything's clear and everything. So enjoy. So the first one I'm going to open, mind you, they are both the $25 box. Like I said, at some point I am going to purchase the $75 box to see what they're like. So let's open it. Got red and white paper, the two index cards, the bottled ink of the different colors, and two pins this time. A black and a blue one. And the ink is Private Reserve, Electric DC Blue, Purple something, I can't read what it says, Vampire Red, Spearmint, and Chocolate. And they're all Private Reserves. That is clear. Holy crap. Sorry. I have no idea. I haven't done anything to the computer. And then the pins are Hero Altitude pins. So you got two of them. Ooh, you got a nice little grip. And they have the new. Oh, this one's got a. Well, that's cool. It's a new type of ink cartridge. Instead of twisting it, you actually press a little lever, and it'll go down. That's actually kind of cool. I wonder how well they work when they get refilled. And let's check the black one. Yep, they got the same kind of filling cartridge too. That's cool. Have to try these and see how well they write. Might do an update on them with these pins. And for the second January box, which is a Christmas gift, and get the index cards, the pen, the ink, another vials of ink, and this ink is Noodlers. Summer Topanga, or Tangerine, sorry. General of the Armies, green. Midnight Blue. The color Royal, and I can't see what the brown one says. So, like I said, I believe ever since the last multiple boxes I've done have had these. So I'm assuming that all the $25 boxes now come just with these ink cartridges. And this is another D-like Spectra pin. And I've gotten a couple of these before. I've gotten the aqua blue and the deep purple one. And this one is orange. Let's see what kind of filling cartridge this has. Oh, nope, it's got one of the twist ones. I really like the ink cartridge filler from the other ones. Those are kind of cool. See if I can dig out the other two. I think it's a purple. Yeah. So now I have, here's the purple. There's the aqua blue. And now I have the orange one. And I think there's like 5 colored ones. 5 of these. So there's 3 of them. And that's it. No stickers in either of these boxes. There's the postcard for the pen. Like I said, if you want to subscribe to them, if you like these pins, or even want to try them out, there's a $25 gift box. And then they have a $75 gift box and a $150 gift box. And you get different types of stuff in all of them. But and before, I think this is all the kind of ink you'll get in the $25 boxes now. Because that's all I've been getting for the last 3 months. 4 months. I think since back in October. So, I'll put the link down below of Truphae. And you can always check out their store because they sell individual pens and inks and stuff. And stay tuned for the next episode.